Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the Airthings Mini Resmed and I have this little device here, and I had my dogs ate my medium sized one, so I was trying to use this large one and it's just too big. So I went online and I found myself these replacement pillows, and it came with a pack of two, and they are for the P10, it says, and these are size medium, which is what I use. So you can kind of see there's a difference between the medium and the large. The medium is smaller, duh. But you can see it doesn't have, like on the original ones, it has like the black marking with the right and the left. This one here doesn't. It just has a little, it's, in there. It says right, left. So you kind of know right, left. So it goes this way with I think it has like a smiley face goes up. So like that. And it's so easy to put on, you just snap it off and put the other one on. It is a ridiculously perfect fit. So it goes right on, no problem. And I used it last night, worked like a champ, just as good as the original, or maybe even better. These are ridiculously soft and spongy. And these ones here I guess are too. So they are. So seems like about the same, but they worked good and I slept like a king. Thanks. And these are awesome. Pick up the replacement pillows.